For today's project, we're going to build a kydex press out of some scrap material, and of course I did pay to get the thermofoam. That's 12 inch by 12 inch by 1 inch. I went ahead and pre-cut my scrap. I'm going to go ahead and use a spray adhesive and get the bottom piece of foam adhered so I can put the backstop on and so on and so forth. So hang out with us and we're going to build this press. The adhesive I'm using, it's just a spray Arts and Craft. I believe I picked this up from Dollar General, but I'm going to spray the wood and, well, the plywood here and the back of my foam to get this all stuck together. Make sure that we got a good stick. I mean, of course I don't want it concreted in there for when I got to change it, but I want it to stick. I got this ripped piece of 2x4 right where I want it to go, and I'm going to use it to help line up my foam. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray on here. We got that all coated nicely. Oh boy, that's already pretty sticky. Just get that right where I want her to be. And then I'm going to set what would be the lid on top of it. And find my clamps and clamp her down. While we got that clamp down and that glue's drying, I already went ahead and I screwed one screw in the bottom to keep this ripped 2x4 down. But while that glue's drying and I'm using that anvil, I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over like so. Move this camera just a little bit. And I'm going to go in and screw this in. Kill two birds with one stone, so to speak. I'm using these little square bit screws. They'll do the job. And now, just like before, we're going to go ahead and put some spray adhesive on this and a piece of wood, and then we're going to clamp it together. You can see Azariah over there decided he wanted to be in the video today. We're going to go ahead and spray this down and get that clamped up. Spraying the wood now with a piece of plywood. Spraying it on the wood kind of heavy. That ain't the way I wanted that. Yeah, about like so. Go ahead and get my clamps. Tell you what, there's one of these clamps I ended up getting a little bit of epoxy on the rail. It's not this one, it's the other one, and oh boy, it's been a nightmare. We'll go ahead and clamp that down. And just like before, we're going to let that set a minute. Then I'll go grab the hinges and we'll put the hinges on. Now we're going to go ahead and take these clamps off of here. And our foam should be stuck pretty good. Oh yeah, look at that. Alrighty. Well, now what I'm going to do is come over here and get these hinges mounted. And I'll see you once we got that done. Now that we got the hinges on, it's pretty much finished. I mean, the glue's still tacky. But yeah, see? Put your kydex in there. Close that down. Clamp it shut. That's all there is to it. Built out of scrap. Pretty simple little job. Definitely going to make making sheaths a lot quicker. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It's an awesome way to support the channel. Have a wonderful day.